Ever wondered if uploading your podcast to Buzzsprout is the secret key to unlocking the world of podcast listeners everywhere? Let's get straight to the point. You don't have to publish directly on Buzzsprout to show up on platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Buzzsprout is a podcast hosting platform, which means it stores your audio files and provides an RSS feed, the secret ingredient these platforms need to find your show. Think of the RSS feed as your podcast's address. When you upload an episode to Buzzsprout, they generate this feed for you. This feed contains all the important details about your show, including the title, description, artwork, and, critically, the link to your audio files. Now, the magic happens when you submit that RSS feed to podcast directories like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, or other platforms. Those platforms then read your RSS feed and add your show to their listings. They automatically download your audio files using the links inside the RSS feed. So, Buzzsprout is your storage and distribution hub. The platforms themselves handle the discoverability, while hosting on Buzzsprout is not mandatory for reaching wider audiences. Doing so is one of the most efficient ways for publishing and managing your podcast and making sure your RSS feed works correctly.